Hi guys, it's Eva and today I'm going to be making apple crumble. So first of all I just want to say we are so close to 500 subscribers, so just please, if you are watching this video, please make subscribe. I also have an Instagram, it's baking.with.eva, so go follow that out because then I've got loads of other stuff on there including smoothies, healthy stuff and gluten-free stuff, so don't forget to go check that out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like the video, and I'm thinking about doing a live stream, so if you would like to see that then comment down below, and also if you would like to see some other videos just comment what you want to see down below as well. Okay, so let's get into the video. The ingredients you'll need are 900 grams of cooking apples, chopped up and peeled, 175 grams of plain flour, 6 tablespoons of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, as well as some water. Let's get into the baking. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is grab a pot. This is the biggest pot I have, and then I'm going to pour 50 milliliters of water, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and the cooking apples. And then we're going to go over to the stove. Okay, so this pot is going to go onto the heat on a medium heat for about 10 minutes until the apples start to soften. So as you just saw, we cooked the apples and we're going to grab that pot from over there and put all the cooking apples into it. So we have now put this in and we are going to put some of the cinnamon in here. So put about a whole teaspoon. I'm just going to spread it over the top, like so. And then we are going to make the topping. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to make our crumbly bit is we're going to put the flour into here. And then we're also going to add in our butter. This is 100 grams of cubed cold butter, and then we're just going to massage it with our fingers. Okay, so as you can see, there's all crumbles like this, and we are going to grab our cinnamon and we're going to pour the rest of it in here, and we're going to just incorporate this into our breadcrumbs. We are then going to bring this across. So we now have this and we're just going to put it all over our apple. This is now going to go in the oven at 200 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Ta-da! So here is the finished apple crumble. Apple crumble is one of my favourites. I don't know about you, but it's one of my absolute favourites. I love it, love it, love it. This is a family recipe, so please take care of it. I really love my recipes and hope you do too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell every time I upload a new video. And also follow my Instagram, baking.with.eva. Text me if you want to know anything about me, I love that. And also thank you for watching, hope you enjoy my recipe. See you guys next time. Bye!